Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might sound a bit dry at first, but trust me, it's way cooler than it seems. We're talking about probability, specifically, how it's used in engineering in ways you might never have thought about. So grab your hard hats and calculators, because we're about to explore 5 mind-blowing applications of probability in engineering that will totally surprise you. Number 1. Predicting equipment failures. First up, let's talk about predicting equipment failures. Have you ever thought about how companies like airlines or manufacturing plants keep their machinery running without any hiccups? It all comes down to probability. Engineers use statistical models to analyze historical data from machinery, looking for patterns that indicate when parts are likely to fail. For instance, using techniques like failure mode and effects analysis and reliability-centered maintenance, they can determine the mean time between failures. By predicting failures before they happen, they can perform maintenance just in time, which saves companies tons of cash and prevents costly downtime. Did you know that in aviation, predictive maintenance has reduced maintenance costs by up to 30%? It's just like having a crystal ball for your machinery, allowing companies to be proactive rather than reactive. Number 2. Traffic engineering. Next, we're hitting the roads, literally. Probability plays a huge role in traffic engineering. Engineers analyze data on traffic patterns, accidents, and road usage to design safer, more efficient roads and traffic systems. They gather data from various sources, including traffic cameras, GPS data, and historical traffic studies. By applying probability models, engineers can predict how many cars will be on the road at different times, understand driver behavior, and even estimate the likelihood of accidents at certain intersections. This information is crucial when creating traffic signals and signage that help reduce congestion and minimize accidents. For example, studies have shown that optimizing traffic signal timings using predictive analytics can decrease travel times by 10% to 20%. So next time you breeze through a well-timed green light, you can thank the power of probability and engineering. Number 3. Quality control in manufacturing. Moving on, let's talk about quality control in manufacturing. In factories, maintaining product quality is essential, and probability is at the heart of it. Engineers use statistical sampling techniques, such as Six Sigma, to ensure that products meet strict quality standards. For example, they may sample a batch of products and apply control charts to track the probability of defects. If the likelihood of defects exceeds acceptable levels, adjustments can be made in real time to the manufacturing process. This proactive approach helps prevent bad products from reaching consumers and saves companies from potential recalls or damage to their reputation. Interestingly, implementing quality control measures based on probability can improve product quality by up to 50%. It's like a safety net that catches issues before they escalate into bigger problems. Number 4. Structural engineering and safety. Now, let's take a look at structural engineering. When building bridges, skyscrapers, or any large structures, engineers must ensure they can withstand various forces, including strong winds, earthquakes, and even the weight of people. This is where probability comes in. Using probabilistic risk assessment, engineers can analyze the likelihood of different load scenarios and natural disasters affecting the structure. For instance, they can simulate various stress tests and environmental conditions to determine how a building will perform over time. The use of probability allows engineers to design buildings that are not only safe, but also optimized for performance. In fact, structures designed with these assessments can reduce the risk of failure by over 30%. So, the next time you walk into a sturdy building, just remember, it's all thanks to the magic of probability and the meticulous planning that goes into it. Number 5. Environmental engineering and sustainability. Finally, let's talk about environmental engineering. With climate change and sustainability being hot topics, probability is crucial for assessing risks and impacts on the environment. Engineers employ probabilistic models to predict how different pollutants will affect ecosystems and to determine the likelihood of events like floods, droughts, or even natural disasters. For example, environmental engineers might analyze historical weather data to predict the probability of flooding in a given area. This information is vital for urban planning and developing infrastructure that can withstand extreme weather events. Interestingly, probabilistic risk assessments can lead to better resource management strategies, which can save municipalities and organizations millions of dollars in disaster response. It's a perfect example of how probability isn't just about numbers, it's about creating a better, safer, and more sustainable future for our planet. So, there you have it. 5 mind-blowing applications of probability in engineering that you probably never knew existed. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What application surprised you the most? See you in the next video.